Recently, Hindu petitioners have sought to survey the Shahi Jama Masjid, the Ajmer Dargah Sharif, while demand for same is being done for the Adai Din Ka Jhopra amid claims by Hindu petitioners that these monuments were built on demolished Hindu temples and colleges. Number 1. The Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambal, UP was built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Babur by his general Mir Hindu Beg. Positioned on a hill in Sambal, it features a square mihrab hall with a dome surrounded by arches. Constructed with stone masonry and plaster similar to the Budhan Mosque, it was renovated during the reigns of Jahangir and Shah Jahan in the 17th century. Local Hindu tradition claims that this mosque incorporates the remnants of a Vishnu temple and is believed to be linked to Kalki, the 10th avatar of Vishnu. Number 2. Ajmer Dargah Sharif. Ajmer in earlier times was referred to as Ajay Meru and was once the capital of Chauhans, a Rajput clan that ruled parts of present-day Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi and UP from the 7th to the 12th century. Ajay Deva is credited with constructing the city in the mid-12th century. The town was sacked by the Afghan invader Muhammad of Gaur after he defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the Second Battle of Tarin in 1192. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti was a Sufi mystic saint and philosopher of the Chishti order of Sufism in the Indian subcontinent. He is also known as Garib Nawaz or the benefactor of the poor, and was the contemporary to Qutbuddin Aibak and Iltutmish. It is believed that he was urged by the Prophet Muhammad in a dream to visit India. He reached Ajmer via Lahore and made it his home from 1192 till his death in 1236 AD. The shrine was built by Mughal king Humayun in honor of this saint. After that, the city of Ajmer fell into a state of disrepair for almost 400 years until it saw a revival during the reign of the Mughal emperor Akbar. At the Dargah, Chadar is offered for prayer by both Hindus and Muslims, which represents the spirit of mutual respect and unity in the diversity of India. Number 3. Adai Din Ka Jhopra. It is one of the oldest mosques in the country, located in Ajmer, Rajasthan. It is also the second oldest completed mosque in North India, after the Quwat-ul-Islam Mosque in Delhi. It was commissioned after the Muhammad of Gaur defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the Second Battle of Tarin by Qutbuddin Aibak, who was the slave general of Muhammad of Gaur. The structure was completed in 1199 and was further enhanced by Iltutmish of Delhi in 1213. It is believed that the material of the mosque is taken from the destroyed Hindu and Jain temples and a Sanskrit college that existed before the Adai Din Ka Jhopra. In recent times, several petitions have been filed claiming that several mosques have been built on destroyed Hindu temples which have affected the rights of worship of Hindus. The Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991 has been again and again challenged since the demolition of Babri Masjid, which was built on the birthplace of Lord Rama. The same claims have been made for the Shahi Jama Masjid, which was built on the site of an ancient Harihar Mandir, the Ajmer Dargah Sharif, which was originally a Shiva temple, the Gyanvapi Mosque, which was supposedly a Hindu temple, the Krishna Janma Bhoomi Shahi Idgah Masjid matter, the controversy of materials taken from the destroyed Hindu and Jain temples, and a Sanskrit college that existed before the Adai Din Ka Jhopra. The Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991 prohibits the conversion of any place of worship, either in full or in part, from one religious denomination to another. However, in 2022, the then Chief Justice of India, CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, during the Gyanvapi Mosque hearings, remarked that the Act does not prevent the determining of the original character of a site. This has led to the current floodgate of litigations of this nature. Now, only time will tell whether the Supreme Court will put a stay on the petitions that are coming in the Supreme Court, or will the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991 will be repealed. to allow the Hindu community to claim the sites of these mosques, masjids, and shrines. This brings us to the end of our video. We hope that you found it informative. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to Exact IAS on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching this. I will see you in our next.